Joint inspection of services for children and young people at risk of harm in North Lanarkshire. All children and young people have the right to feel loved, have the care they need to grow and develop and be protected from being harmed. We wanted to understand how well services are supporting children, young people and their families who need extra help from people including teachers, health visitors, nurses, doctors, family support workers, social workers or others. We sent surveys out to children and young people and parents and carers. We received 24 from children and young people and 21 from parents and carers. We also sent out a survey to staff and received 1,316 responses. We read records belonging to 60 children and young people. We read information about North Lanarkshire that is available on the internet. We looked at written records and reports that North Lanarkshire shared with us. We met with staff, managers and senior leaders. Here are some of the things that we found were working well for children and young people in North Lanarkshire. Staff from different services worked well together, shared information and helped before things got worse. Staff were confident that they could recognise when children and young people were not safe. Staff recognised risk and worked together quickly to give children and young people the help they needed. Staff had good relationships with each other and with children and young people. This helped children and young people to trust staff and feel supported. Staff could see when children and young people had problems with their mental health or emotional well-being and supported them to get help early before things got worse for them. The majority of children and young people were meaningfully and appropriately involved in decisions about their lives. Staff listened to children and young people and understood them. The people in charge were clear about what they had to do to make children and young people's lives better. The people in charge worked well together. They agreed what they needed to do differently with money and staff when things were not working as well as they should. Here are some of the things that services in North Lanarkshire need to do better. Assessments helped staff to understand what children and young people needed. Plans showed what had to change for things to get better. The assessments and plans were not always written as well as they could have been. Overall, we evaluated that services in North Lanarkshire were having a very good impact on children and young people who needed help to stay safe. There are a few things that need improvement, but we are confident that these will get better. Thank you to all the children and young people who spoke to us during our inspection and completed our surveys. Our full inspection report can be found at carinspectorate.com. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.